we are a young startup company. We're a technological startup in the field of additive manufacturing. What we're actually doing, what we're actually developing is the world's first full automated hybrid 3D printer. Why it's hybrid? Because it has efficient tool, patented tool change system, which allows to combine different techniques, material groups, and technologies in a single machine. Company 𝐒𝐸 Poland is a typical representative of our customer segment. So they produce a really smart machinery equipment, but they didn't use additive technologies before. But what we have done in this stage of our cooperation is that we showed Yuri how to start to do it. We show how to model the part for additive manufacturing, how to make a G-code for additive manufacturing, how to analyze if this part can be printed with this material, with this or with this material. And we achieve this stage. So we learn how to use additive manufacturing in-house. So basically the most innovative aspect, I would say, this is hybridity and automation. What I can say about Mind4Machines is that we are really grateful to our mentors. It was really special thing that mentors really help us to make a roadmap and go step by step.
Company 𝐒𝐸 Poland now is a manufacturer of dosing machines and some other equipment which helps to cast final parts made of polyurethanes and silicones and some epoxy resins. There are two main issues. The first one is that thanks to the Mind4Machines project, we found how we can use 3D printed parts in building our machines. This is extremely important because 3D printing technology allows us to don't waste time and don't waste raw materials to produce some series of parts. Instead, one or two parts that we indeed need for our production. And the second issue is that we found out that our casting technologies could be also used in 3D printing technologies together. And this is a future for us. Thanks to our cooperation and to our communication with SmartZavod inside the M4M project, we can provide our solutions on the new markets. We can find not just the new customers, but new field of application.